Hi guys, I don't know how you've been. Did you buy yourself a gift for the new year? I was so happy that I bought myself a pair of AJ11 as my new year gift. Look, he is a special pair of shoes for me. I remember that Jordan wore them to win the championship in the first year in 1996. It was that year I fell in love with basketball. AJ11 has released its latest sneaker after more than 2 decades. It still radiates its former glory. Look at the black patent covering from the toes to the heels. It looks very dramatic and just as beautiful. This is a very bright design, and the heel is very layered. On the top, there's a nice number 26. This is the exact number Jordan was wearing. There's another thing I like about these shoes. It's red crystal base. Through a certain crystal base, we can see flying man's logo. Tell me what you like best about it. Do you have any favorite stars? Show them in my comments section. The video is ended. Happy New Year to everybody. Bye.